Bless your eyes with magic light, I give the gift of fairy size, of sight!
Lift! I need lift!
Don't go, I said. Bad idea, I said. But would you listen? No, don't listen to Batty. Mm-mm.
Well, what have we here? Shoes. Animals don't wear shoes.
A human!
A tree!
Take anything you want. I won't tell the cops. Huh?
Are you alright?
I'm fine. What is going on here?
The monster, it tried to eat you.
Monster?
My friend and I saved you. Oh, Batty. Batty?
Huh?
Oh, sonic interference. What a nightmare. I thought I saw a human.
That's a human?
Yes, yes, kill it, restrain it, medicate it, something.
Puff up, puff up. They hate that.
Get back! Don't worry.
Stop!
I've got it scared.
I have but one claw, but beware.
Will you both just calm down?
He tried to kill you! I did not! You did!
Hold on! The only thing that tried to kill anybody was that horrible monster in the forest.
Monster? What monster?
The one that ate the tree. It was terrible.
Tree? The leveler. Hey, am I dead?
No.
We could fix that for you.
Then I must be dreaming.
Nope.
Ah, sure. And what are you supposed to be? Some kind of fairy?
Of course I am. What about you? Are you really a human?
Last time I checked. Listen, fairy, it's been weird, but I'm out of here. This dream is history.
Check this out. I've a basic inclination, a very primal need to inspect the vegetation for an egg or centipede. I just can't control this hunger. I just can't seem to cut it back on my ravenous consumption. You're a welcome little snack. If I'm gonna eat somebody, it might as well be you. Can you dig it? I could see you as a sandwich or a strange exotic stew. If I get one time, it might as well be you. You know it. Kick it one time. Welcome to the food chain.
No! You can't eat him! He's a human!
What's a human?
Delicious and nutritious. Tastes just like chicken.
Wait! He's my friend.
Well, any friend of a fairy is a friend of mine.
Thanks a lot.
Oh, man, you owe me a free dinner after this one.
Are you okay?
What happened to me? I'm 3 inches tall.
Oh, I shrank you.
You what?
Well, it was the most amazing thing. Of course, it's not what the spell's really supposed to do, but Magiloon will fix you.
You shrank me?
Yeah.
Catches on quick, doesn't it?
Well, we better buzz off. It's getting late.
Buzz off? I'm not buzzing anywhere. No, unshrink me, and I mean now.
Well, I guess I could take a bash at it.
Take a bash?
Actually, I'm just sort of learning.
Great, I've been shrunk by an amateur. I don't believe this. Okay, come on, bash away.
Okay. What was done, now undo. Return you to the form that's true.
Oh. Big ears. Elephant. Oh, no. No. Anteater. Orangutan. Okay, let me guess again. Oh, wait. A duck. Oh, it's Darwin's grab bag.
Let me try again.
Yes.
No. Thank you, but I think maybe we better go see this Magi. I'm Zach.
I'm Crysta.
Nice to meet you.
You're going to love Ferngully. It's the most beautiful, wonderful place in the forest. Well, come on. A baddie can carry you.
What? Not this little mammal. Fly a human. I'd rather suck wax fruit.